All right, today's a big day. We got a shipment in from BBT. Frederik at BBT was just awesome to work with. Any questions I had, he was quick to respond. If you have a Volkswagen bus and you're in the market for some parts, check out BBT. Let's open it up, see what we got. I'm excited because there's some new sheet metal for the bus, and that's always exciting to see, new parts. Okay, bumper brackets. That looks nice. New sheet metal. Oh yeah, battery tray. How cool, look at that. So this is the inner structure for the rear package tray. That goes, I'm sorry, at the outer piece. That's the outer piece that goes there. Look how nice that is. This one was all smashed up, so that's a new piece for that. How cool. And I had ordered the inner piece also. Yeah, there's the inner piece. This is nice stuff. And that'll go on the inside. You'll see that in one of the later videos, putting that on. And this is the rear corner support. Mine it was smashed and crooked. This is the inside piece for the corner, the whole piece. How cool is that? That's awesome. And probably for one of the most exciting pieces, look at this. This is the whole right rear corner. Check that out. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. How cool is that? Okay, I'm excited to put all this metal on. All right, well, thank you, BBT. This is gonna really take this bus to the next step. So I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.